Hi, my name is Madison Parker. I am a Pearson campus ambassador at Utah Valley University. So today we are going to be, I'm going to be doing a quick demo of the Pearson eTexts. Specifically, I'm going to be going over the Campbell Biology 12th edition. So as soon as you get into the eText, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the cover of the textbook. And then, as you can see, I'll show you right here, this is what you'll see. If you go right here to this menu tab, you'll be able to see all of the units, all of the chapters in the textbook. If you click on this expand button, you'll actually be able to see all of the subcategories inside of each chapter. So let's go ahead and click on chapter 3, Water and Life, and let's click on 3.1. So inside of this, there are going to be quite a few things that you'll see that make the Pearson eText different than the regular textbook, a lot more interactive features. So starting off, we have these self-reviews where you can actually quiz yourself, test yourself. So electronegativity is blank. Let's go ahead and click C, submit. So this answer is incorrect. And it will actually tell you the material that you need to go back and review, which is really cool. And it will help to direct you on the information that you need to go back and learn so that you can get the key concepts right. So as we keep going down, you'll see right here there's a key term, polar molecule. As you hover over it, it'll actually give you the definition. So all the key terms throughout the book are listed like this. You'll see that there's lots of images that you can actually click on, expand, look at. There's also animations, which if you went ahead and clicked this, you would see the animation in the video. It would talk to you, and this is a really good feature for visual learners like myself. I know there's a lot of students like me that learn more effectively from something visual like a video, which you don't get from a textbook. So let's go right back up here to concept 3.1. So let's read this right here. Water is familiar to us. It is easy to overlook its many extraordinary qualities. So let's say this is an extremely important concept that we need to learn and we want to highlight it. So as we highlight something and we go over here to the left to the notebook section, what we highlighted will actually show up in the notebook section. So as we're reading throughout the whole textbook, we can highlight things and find them all here to go back in and read. Something else that's cool is that the professor has an opportunity to also highlight something and write notes so that you can see it in your eText. He or she might write something like, this is going to be on the test. This is an important concept. Make sure you learn this. So it's a cool way to have the professor and the students communicate with each other through the eText. Another interesting feature is right up here in display settings. There's night mode, a different mode that makes it easier for reading on the eyes. You can also change the font size. You can also search for different numbers, chapters, terms, notes, or text. So finally, let's go over here to the study features. This is actually, I love this part about these note cards, is that all of the information is already stored in here. You don't have to go through the process of creating your own flashcards. So as you can see, you can click on them, move on to the next one, click on it, you can start it if it's something maybe you need to go back and learn a little bit more, you didn't quite get the concept. So that's the basics of the Pearson eText for this biology course, and I hope that you're able to learn a lot. If you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Madison Parker, Pearson Campus Ambassador at UVU. Thanks for listening.